Hello, Seika. 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 Hi. Hello, viewers. This is Seika again. She will listen to her favorite fable. The title is The Workman and the Nightingale. Ready to listen? Don't sleep yet, ah. Face the camera. Are you shy? First time you're shy? Hoy, hoy, hoy. Wake up. Si Seika, nananadya. Oh, alam niya eh. Alam ni Seika. Okay, The Workman and the Nightingale. It was a hot summer's night. So hot that a workman could not get to sleep. Instead, he lay with the window open, hoping that a little breeze might blow through, listening to the beautiful song of a nightingale. The little bird kept him company all night long, singing sweetly. The workman listened intently, and he was so delighted by its singing that he decided he had to have the bird for himself. The next night, the workman set a trap for the nightingale and captured it. "Now that I have caught you," he cried, "you will always sing to me whenever I want." But the little bird held its chin high and proud and shook its head. "We nightingales never sing in a cage," it said. "Then I will eat you." "Ah," said the workman, "I have always heard that a nightingale on toast is a tasty snack." I face the camera. Face the camera. The nightingale quivered in terror. "No, please don't eat me," it begged. "Let me go free, and I will tell you 3 things that are worth far more than my little body." The workman thought for a moment, but he didn't see how he could lose. "All right," he shrugged, and he set the bird free. Without a moment's hesitation, the nightingale flew up to the highest branch of a nearby tree and looked down at the workman. Way out of reach below. The 3 things are pieces of advice, it trilled. First, never believe a captive's promise. Secondly, keep what you have. And thirdly, don't feel sad for what you have lost forever and cannot get back. Then, while the workman was wondering how he could have been tricked by a tiny bird, the nightingale flew away. Do not feel sorry about what is lost forever. Done reading. Ay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, my viewers. It's Miss Seika signing off again and again and again. Bye-bye, viewers. See you in the next vlog.